Hello dear children, once again welcome back to our online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, in my previous video, I have already completed the exercises of chapter number 2. So now today's video I am going to explain the next remaining exercises of this chapter. So for that you all take out your grammar book and open page number 13. Student, we have already completed the exercises of page number 11 and 12. So now today's video you have to open page number 13. So student, on page number 13 there is an exercise B. Add s or es to make the many forms of this word. So we have already completed this exercise. So now moving to the next exercise, there is exercise C. Okay, we have already completed exercise A, B. So now today's video I am going to start the next, which one? Exercise C. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So student, what will we do in exercise C? So here is encircle the correct word for many. Dear student, in this chapter we have to learn about that how could we change a singular noun into plural. Okay, we have to change any singular noun in plural form by add s or es. Okay student, so according to that we have to complete exercise B. So in exercise C we have to encircle the correct words for many. Okay, we have to circle the many form. Okay, so student, in number 1 there is a first word is boy. So student, boy is a singular noun. Okay, so we have to change this given singular noun into plural noun. So student, tell me what's the plural form of boy? Do you know that? So student, here are 4 examples. You have to choose the correct one. You have to choose the correct one example. Okay, and after that you have to circle it. So dear student, tell me which one is correct of this given option. Okay, so there's option number A is a boys, B is a boy, C is a boys, and D is a boys. So tell me which one boys is correct. Okay, as we all know that plural form of boy is boys. So tell me which boy is correct in the given option. So student, here is the given option. Option number C is correct. Okay, so we have to circle option number C. Okay student, so now moving to the next, this is the next stage, year. In number 1 there is a boy and the plural form of boy is boys by add s. Okay, and second there is year. So again here is a 4 option, so you have to choose the correct one. You have to circle the given correct many form, okay, of years. So there is a years. Tell me which one is correct. So student, there is a first is correct. Okay, there is a option number A is correct. So we have to circle the given option number A, that is years, EARS, years. Okay student, in number 1 we have to circle option number C, that is BOYS, boys. In second, years, EARS, years. Okay, now come to the next. So in number 3 there is bunch. There is next word in number 3, bunch. So student, we have to learn in this chapter that we add es to noun that end in ch, sh, o, s, s, x and z to get their plural form. So student, as we can see at the screen, there is a given word is bunch and the last letter of this word is ch. So what will we add? So we have to add es to change this given singular form to plural. Okay, so student, we have to circle the correct option. So tell me which one is correct. What the correct form of bunch? So student, the correct form of bunch is bunches. Okay, correct form of bunch is bunches, which is option number B. Which is option number B, that is BUNCHES. We have to add ES to change this given one to many. Okay. Now the next, after completing 1, 2, 3, 4, now moving to the next. This next stage, after completing first to third, we're going to do the next. Okay, the next is number 4. Okay, in number 4 there is a word roof. There is a word roof. So tell me which option is correct. Dear student, tell me what we add as or es. We have to add as. Okay, to change this given one to many. Okay, so it will be roofs, ROOFs, roofs. So we have to circle it. Okay, we have to circle it. Now the next, number 5. In number 5 there is a word door. In number 5 there is a word door. Student, how do we change this given word door into plural? So student, we have to add as. Okay, we have to as at the last of this word. So it will be doors. In plural form it will be doors. So we have to circle the given option, option number A. Okay, option number A, that is DOORS, doors. Okay student, one more time we are going to check. In number 1 we have to circle option number C. In second we have to circle option number A. In number 3rd we have to circle option number B, that is bunches. In number 1 we have to add S. In second we have to add S. In third we have to add ES, because we all know that we add ES to noun that end in CH, SH, O, S, SS, X and Z to get their plural form. So here is the last letter of this word is CS. So we have to add here ES. Okay. And number 4 we have to circle the option number A, that is roofs. We have to add S. Now the next, number 5 we have to circle option number A, that is doors. We have to add S. Okay student. So now next, moving to the next, there is a next is uncle. Next word is uncle. So tell me what's the plural form of uncle. So student, circle the correct option. Tell me which one is correct. So dear student, we have to circle the option number A, that is uncles. Okay, that is uncles. We have to circle option number A. Now moving to the next, number 7. In number 7 there is friend. There is a word friend. So we have to change this given one form into many. So what will we do? So student, as we all know that we have to change any words by adding S or ES to plural form. Okay, so in friend we have to add S. Student, here is the given option B is correct, that is friends. The plural form of friend is friends. Okay, so option number B is correct. Now moving to the next, in number 8 there is bus. There is a next word is bus. So tell me what the plural form of this given word. So dear student, we have to learn that when S is coming in the end, okay, there is a last word is S, so we have to add here ES. Okay, we have already learned about this. So we have to add ES, so it will be buses. Okay, so tell me which option is correct. Option number A, B, C, D, which one is correct? So student, there is option number A is correct, so we have to take option number A. Okay, we have to take option number A. Now moving to the next, there is a next stage B. The next stage B. So student, tell me which one is correct option. So student, we have to add S. Okay, we have to add S to change this given one to many. So it will be bees. Okay, there is a word bee, so it will be bees. So we have to circle option number D. Now moving to the next, there is a last one is number 10. Okay, so tell me what's the plural form of computer. Student, tell me what's the plural form of computer. So my dear student, as we all know that there is some words who have already have their plural form. So like that, there is a given word computer is a plural form. Okay, so we have to circle the option number D, that is correct. It is a many parts of computer. Okay, dear student, there is many more examples of plural word like children, pants, seizure. Okay, these all words already had plural form. Now moving to the next, after completing exercise C, we have to do the next, that is exercise D. Dear student, one more time we are going to check this exercise C. So in number 1 we have to circle option number C. In second we have to circle option number A. In third we have to circle option number B. In number 4 we have to circle option number A. In number 5 we have to circle option number A. Okay, now the next, number 6 we have to circle option number A. In 7 we have to circle option number B. In number 8 we have to circle option number A, that is passage. In number 9 we have to circle option number D, and at the last we have to circle option number D, that is computer. Okay, so like this we have to complete exercise B. Okay, now moving to the next exercise, that is exercise D. So dear student, what will we do in exercise D? So again we have to write the many forms of these words. Okay, so let's start. There is a first word is plate. There is first word is plate. So student, tell me what the many form of plate. So we have to write here plates. P-L-A-T-E-S, plates. We have to write here plates. Okay, this is the many form of the given words. Given word plate. Now the next, there is a next word is watch. So student, at the last we can see there is a word CS, so we have to add here ES. Okay, to change their form one to many. So we have to write here watches. What is the spelling of watches? So student, W-A-T-C-H-E-S, watches. We have to write here watches. Okay, now next, there is a third word is phone. There is a third word is phone, so we have to write here phones. P-H-O-N-E-S, phones. Okay, now moving to the next, in number 4 there is a word light. So student, the plural form, the many form of light is light. Okay, now the next, number 5, there is witch. So we have to write witches. We have to write witches. We have to add ES to change their form. Okay, to change their forms. Now the next, number 6 is toothbrush. So we have to write here toothbrushes. We have to add ES at the last. Okay, so we have to write here toothbrushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S, toothbrushes. Okay student, now next is buffalo. Next is buffalo. So student, we again add ES, buffalo. Okay, it is buffalo. Now the next is number 8. In number 8 there is window. So we have to add, to change their form, we have to add S, windows. Now the next, number 9, teacher. So we have to add S, T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S, T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S, teachers. So dear student, in number 10 we again add ES. Okay, in the given word reddish. Okay, so we have to write here radishes. Okay, now the next, in 11 there is a next word. In 11 there is a shoe. Okay, so we have to add here S, so it will be shoes. Okay, in 12 tiger, so we have to add S, so it will be tigers. It will be tigers. So like this you have to complete this given exercise, which is exercise D. One more time we are going to check. So in number 1 we have to add as there is a word plate, so we have to add s, so it will be plates. Okay, plates, plates. In number second we have add c es, okay, watches, watches. In number third we have to add s, so it will be phones. In number 4 we have write light as same, okay. In number 5 we have to add es, it will be witches, witches, witches. In number 6 there is a word toothbrush, so we have to add es, toothbrushage, okay. Now the next, in number 7 there is buffalo, so we have to add es, okay, in buffaloes, so we have to add es, buffaloes. In number 8 we have to add s, okay. Now the next, teacher, we have to add s. In number 10 we have to add es. In number 10 we have to add es, okay. Now the next, in number 11 we have to add s. We have to add s. In number 12 we again add s, so it will be tigers. So like this we have to complete exercise C and D in today's video. So dear student, that's it for today. And now the next exercise is exercise G. So I will explain this exercise in my next video. Okay student. So I hope you all understood that how could you complete your exercises in your book. And dear student, you have also write these exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting. So dear student, your today's homework is you have to do exercise B, C, D in homework copy. Okay student, you have to do exercise B, C, D in homework copy. So dear student, that's it for today. I hope you all understood. So you all keep watching my video and do a study at your home. Okay, thank you.